Welcome to a peaceful place where you can reconnect with the abundance that already lives inside you. Today we'll walk through a money affirmation journey, letting the beauty of nature amplify every word. Let's begin. Close your eyes for a moment, feel the ground beneath you, the fresh air filling your lungs. With each breath, set the intention: I am open to receiving unlimited prosperity. I am a magnet for money. Wealth flows to me effortlessly, like a river finding its path to the sea. Let the words settle. Every dollar I spend returns to me multiplied, bringing even more abundance into my life. Let the words settle. I deserve financial freedom. My worth is limitless, and I honor that by allowing prosperity to flow. Let the words settle. Picture yourself already living this reality. See the smile on your face as you open that chest of abundance. Feel the excitement, the security, the gratitude. Money serves my highest good. It is a tool that helps me grow, give, and create a life I love. Let the words settle. If this affirmation resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe for more uplifting content, and drop a comment sharing one money affirmation that empowers you. Let the words